Welcome back to Tech Review. Today we're counting down the top 3 best budget vlogging cameras of 2025, perfect for creators who want high-quality videos without spending too much. Whether you're shooting travel clips, daily vlogs, or starting your first channel, these cameras deliver great performance, portability, and value. So which one is the right pick for you? Let's find out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Number 3. The GoPro Hero 13 Black continues its legacy as a must-have action camera for creators who want high-quality video, durability, and versatility, all packed into a compact form. Its 27-megapixel sensor enables sharp photos, while 5.3K at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS video deliver cinematic detail and smoothness ideal for travel vlogs, adventure footage, or lifestyle content. One of its standout upgrades is the new 1900 mAh Enduro battery, which boosts real-world recording times, about 1.5 hours at 5.3K and significantly more at 1080 pixel. The camera also gains support for the new HB series interchangeable lenses and a rugged waterproof build, 33 feet or 10 meter, giving creators flexibility and confidence to shoot outdoors, underwater, or in extreme conditions. Stabilization remains a big strength. The built-in stabilization smooths out shaky footage remarkably well, which is particularly helpful for action, travel, or handheld vlogging. On the flip side, like many action cams, low-light performance is middling. In dim or indoor environments, you'll likely notice more noise and less dynamic range. Overall, the Hero 13 Black excels when you need portability, durability, and high-motion video, whether that's travel vlogs, extreme sports, or spontaneous daily content. For creators who prioritize flexibility and cinematic-looking footage without carrying heavy gear, this GoPro remains a strong flagship pick. Number 2. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 packs serious power into a tiny, ultra-portable body. And for many vloggers, that's a game-changer. A 1-inch CMOS sensor gives you crisp, cinematic 4K video with impressive low-light performance and rich dynamic range. Impressive for a camera this size. The integrated 3-axis mechanical gimbal keeps footage butter smooth, whether you're walking through a city, filming travel content, or shooting handheld B-roll. Add in 4K up to 120 FPS for beautiful slow motion, and support for 10-bit D-Log and HLG color profiles for post-production flexibility. This little camera truly punches above its weight. What makes Pocket 3 ideal for solo creators? The 2-inch rotatable touchscreen lets you easily frame yourself when vlogging, and the built-in autofocus, plus face and subject tracking, Active Track 6.0, helps keep you centered even when moving. Audio is decent with the internal mic, but you can pair it with an external mic, like the official wireless one, for cleaner sound. A plus if you care about audio quality for YouTube. Of course, compact size comes with trade-offs. No interchangeable lens, fixed width-angle lens only, no ND filters built in, and battery life, while reasonable, isn't enough for a full day of heavy shooting unless you have spare batteries. But if you want a grab-and-go camera that delivers professional-level video without carrying bulky gear, the Pocket 3 is one of the strongest choices out there for vloggers, travel creators, or casual YouTube producers. Number 1. The Sony Alpha ZV-E1 is a powerhouse full-frame mirrorless vlog camera designed for creators who want cinematic quality in a compact body. It features a 12-megapixel full-frame sensor capable of delivering stunning low-light performance, clean dynamic range, and smooth, natural color. Sony's advanced AI autofocus system locks onto faces and subjects instantly, making it perfect for walking vlogs, talking headshots, and fast-moving scenes. The camera also supports 4K 60 FPS recording with the option to upgrade to 4K 120 FPS for ultra-smooth slow motion. Another highlight is the built-in stabilization, combining optical and AI-powered modes to keep footage steady even when shooting handheld. Designed specifically for vloggers, The ZVE-1 includes a directional 3-capsule microphone, a fully articulating touchscreen, and intuitive controls that simplify creative shooting. Features like product showcase mode and background defocus make professional-style content easy for beginners and advanced users alike. Although the body-only option allows flexibility with lenses, the camera still maintains a lightweight, travel-friendly design. The Sony ZVE-1 delivers exceptional video quality, smart AI tools, and premium performance, making it one of the most capable vlogging cameras for 2025.